So yes guys, today I'm back with this beautiful look, and this is the look. This is what I come up with. And she popping though, okay? Popping. And that's on period, honey. On what? Period. Okay? If you want to see this look, continue to watch. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new, okay? If you're old, welcome back to the channel. You know, your girl slayed and dipped and played this look for you guys today. And make sure you hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And make sure you go follow me on Instagram _RayFierce and on Twitter _RayFierce. And yeah, let's get into this look, honey. Okay guys, so we're up close and personal. Okay, hunty. And today we are creating this little look right here. I had to figure out what I was gonna do first and then come to y'all with the juice. Okay, so we creating this fun colorful thing over here, and she cute or whatever. We might add some glitter to her, but I don't know yet. I'll think about it. I think it'd be super pretty if I did, but I don't know what color yet. We'll figure it out. But yes, we're moving on to this eye. I'm gonna take my Plouise base. And how you guys doing in quarantine? Okay, I'm doing fine. Kinda. So we're gonna take our Plouise base. This is rumour number 5, and I'm gonna squeeze some of that on the back of my hands so we can zhuzh up the brow. But yeah, guys, quarantine has definitely been boring me. And I'm probably gonna do some makeup tutorials on live, maybe tomorrow night. But now product all over that eye. And I put the Plouise base all over. I know I'm not at the top of the brow, but today I just didn't do that. If there's too much product, I will though. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. This is the M335 brush. And I'm gonna blend that out. Get a nice even base. And on to the shadow, honey. So I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. This is the M507 brush. And that girl Tiffany J, she put me on, okay? Sis put me on this specific brush. Love this brush. This one and the 506 brush, yes, are my favorite size. Had a little glitter everywhere. And today, guys, we're gonna be working out of one palette. What? One palette? We're gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And the first shade we're gonna go in with is the shade E3. The E3 shade. And we're gonna go in, and you wanna make sure you have your buffing brush on standby. And I didn't set the base because it don't show up as pigmented when you set the base. I like to just put the color straight onto the wet surface. So I'm gonna start off in here, and I'm just gonna start tapping in the beginning. Just tapping that shade down. You don't wanna swipe because it will give you streak marks. So you wanna pat first. Not necessarily even really blending it out, I'm just patting it down. Then I'm gonna turn my brush the opposite way just to get us a nice flick of the wrist. So I am kind of dragging, and it's okay if you want to get out some. And you want to make sure the color is intensified enough the way that you want it. I'm gonna wipe off that shade. I have paper towel over here on my shirt, bitch, I'm lying. I'm gonna wipe it off over here. And I'm gonna take the B3 shade, and we're gonna blend that shade kinda out, but not really. So that's what this shade reminds me of. Easter. I want to use this shade by itself, but I didn't know quite what I want to go for just yet. So I didn't go for nothing. I'll probably do another video soon. Why not? We're in quarantine all week, okay? So now I'm gonna take the M506 brush, and I'm gonna take that A2 shade, and we just gonna kind of blend over there. And you just want to make sure the edges are well blended, guys. That's it. That's all we're trying to do here. Make some beautiful magic. Now I'm gonna go in with my Clinique eye makeup remover. Y'all, this stuff is everything, okay? Don't say I didn't warn y'all. And I'm just gonna kind of go in. Let me see if I can do it with the makeup wipe first. But I'm still gonna use the eye makeup remover more just because I don't have to, it's less product. I'm dipping something in. I keep on wasting makeup wipes. So yeah, keep that in mind if you do decide to use the makeup wipe. So I'm gonna take my white Plouise base, and go in and start cutting, baby. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, a more detailed brush, and I'm gonna take a different palette. Yeah, I'm only using one other shade out this palette. So I'm gonna take a white out of the Morphe palette, out of the James Choice palette. Now I'm taking that white shade out of this Morphe palette. Shadow, I suggest you use a white base because it's gonna come out its true pigment. So now I'm gonna go back in with the Plouise base in rumour number 5, yeah. Just so I can tell the difference and so the color could show up the same way that it showed up at the top. So that's why I'm not using the white base that I put down here. I'm about to cover it up. Okay, so that's down. We're gonna go in with that E3 shade, that's that deeper green, and we're gonna start right here in the middle. Working our way down. Working our way downtown. Same thing, kind of winging it out. And this is a Morphe brush I'm using, so, I mean, not a Morphe, the Anastasia brush, the brush that comes with all the palettes. So this is gonna act as our black liner. Now I'm gonna wipe out my brush off in. Again, I'm gonna go in with that B3 shade, basically the same way that I did these at the top. I'm going in with them the same way as I did on the top. So now I'm gonna go in with the A3 shade, which is like a lime yellow. Baby, honestly, this look like a whole virus, okay? Because That's what it's giving me. Virus, bitch. Corona. It's giving me the green emoji. My eyes be wrinkly sometimes, y'all, so I'll be having to manipulate it. Okay, we in this thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the white Plouise base. Well, let me clean this up with my makeup wipe first. So I'm gonna take my makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean the eye up. Bam. She clean. I'm gonna go back in with the other color, the other Plouise color, and go right there. Now let's go in with the green. Okay guys, so I just patted that green right there. Bam. So now I'm gonna go in and clean under there. Just kind of get this line as kind of perfect as I can get it. Okay. She bad, she bad, she bad, she bad, Gucci bad. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in and put, let me see, let me erase this up some more. Cause she kind of low. So now I'm gonna go in with, I don't know. What do sis wanna go in with? Let me wipe this makeup off the back of my hand. I kind of want it to shine a little bit. A little glitz and glam. Oh, did I do the other side like that? I don't think I did. Let me clean her up too. Okay, glammed out. Okay, if I do add glitter, it's definitely probably gonna be white gold from JLaurue Cosmetics. This is what it look like. Mine is a filthy mess. But it's the white gold shade that I'm gonna take. Y'all. And if you don't know, now you know, you know. I'm obsessed with this shade, okay? Okay, okay, okay. I can't even get it right. I'll be talking about, I just want to party with Cardi. Y'all love me some Cardi B. So I'm gonna take that white gold and we're just gonna, oh my God. Baby, this is what I was missing. Can y'all see that though? That's so beautiful. Okay. Now let's do the rest of my face. And I'm gonna film it, but I don't know if I'm gonna add it in, so I might not, just in case y'all looking for it. And I'm gonna put on today my DIOR Skin. This is basically a skincare primer. It basically helps moisturize the face, and it kind of minimizes wrinkles and lines. So y'all, I'm using this foundation, and it seems like I'm running out, baby. But this is my Makeup Revolution foundation. You gotta make sure you get that, neck. Now I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer as well. This is in shade 12.5. If I didn't tell you the foundation shade, this is in shade 13, F13. I know these videos be long, guys, sometimes. If you want me to stop putting my face part in and just do a separate face video, let me know down below in the comments and I'll start doing that. Cause baby, I don't be liking to edit wrong videos. But if you like it in a video together, then I'll keep it in a video together. It's just all about what y'all tell me. I'm gonna go take my Lancome powder. I'm gonna press this in. I'm sitting like, I'm really about to go somewhere. I mean, it's still daytime. Even though we're in quarantine, you can still go outside. At least in my country. What yours hitting for? At least in my state, because some states I think are on lockdown, like by the National Guard. But we're not yet anyway, which I don't understand why, because we're the fastest growing state with the corona right now. And I'm gonna take my Morphe palette. This is the 39A palette, guys. You already know I'm going in here for my contour and my blush. I'm gonna take this contour and this blush, that orangey looking blush. We got our blush on. Now we're going in for highlight. I'm gonna take this MAC highlighter. This is in the shade Golden Bronze. I'm just gonna go in with the green for right now under the eyes. We'll figure out what color we're gonna put in the waterline at a later point. But we're gonna take that same green. Okay, so I'm gonna take that E3 shade and I'm gonna go right under there. Smoke out. Smoke her out, baby. I'm gonna take that Morphe pencil brush that we were using earlier. This is the E36 brush. This was part of the Elite collection. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take A2. And I kind of want this to kind of be smoked out as well. I don't want it to be just a sharp line. I kind of want to have some kind of blend to it. Super cute. We looking good in the hood. Hey, hey. Okay, I'm getting too hyped. Let me put on my lashes, lips. I'm probably not gonna use no lip pencil, but I'm gonna take Ashton by Anastasia. Y'all, that's how long y'all know I done had this lip color. Getting it rubbed off, sis. That mean I like it. Y'all, if y'all don't know, Anastasia is my favorite brand at the moment. And the last thing we gotta do is put on some mascara. Baby, let me give y'all a head and face. Okay. So guys, this wrapped up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Deuces.